Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Electrum on Linux without leftovers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Electrum on Linux without leaving any leftovers, begin by opening your terminal. Type the command to remove the Electrum application from your system. This can be done using the package manager specific to your Linux distribution. For Debian-based systems, use the command sudo apt remove Electrum. If you're using a Red Hat-based distribution, type sudo dnf remove Electrum. These files are often stored in your home directory. Navigate to the hidden .electrum folder in your home directory. You can list hidden files in your home directory by typing lsa. If you see the .electrum folder, remove it by typing rmrf/.electrum. To ensure there are no other related files, check the .config directory. Type ls/.config to see if the Electrum configuration is stored there. If there's an Electrum folder, remove it with rmrf/.config/electrum. Next, check if any additional dependencies were installed along with Electrum. Use the command specific to your package manager to list installed packages. For Debian-based systems, use sudo apt auto-remove to remove unnecessary packages. For Red Hat-based systems, you can use sudo dnf auto-remove. For Arch Linux, use sudo pacman rns electrum to remove orphan dependencies. Finally, verify that Electrum is completely removed from your system. Try running Electrum in the terminal to check if any command still exists. If you see a command not found message, the uninstallation was successful. You have now uninstalled Electrum from your Linux system without any leftovers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.